The Michigan State University Multicultural Center represents a defining achievement in design and construction excellence. As one of the first freestanding multicultural centers in the Big Ten, it reimagines how universities create spaces for belonging, inclusion, and student leadership. Constructed at one of the busiest intersections on campus, the project required exceptional coordination among campus police, infrastructure services, and the surrounding residential community. The Clark-White joint venture team delivered the project safely, with more than 92,000 work hours and 0 lost time incidents. Complex challenges, including poor soils near the Red Cedar River and overlapping infrastructure projects, were met with innovative solutions such as a rammed aggregate pier system and strategic phasing. Built to LEED standards, the facility features an inverted roofing system with a 50 to 100-year lifespan, advanced daylight harvesting, and energy-efficient controls. Locally sourced sandstone, perforated metal fins in Spartan green, and warm wood interiors tie the building to its community and cultural mission. The building's glass curtain wall, wood detailing, and open volumes required exceptional craftsmanship and coordination. The team used BIM to pre-plan systems and resolve conflicts early, ensuring high-end finishes like millwork and exposed timber were properly sequenced to maintain quality and achieve design intent. Delivered on time, on budget, and with 0 environmental violations, the Multicultural Center stands as a model for innovation that blends technology, sustainability, and inclusion, proving that true advancement in construction is both technical and human. The Oakland Community College Culinary Studies Institute project exemplifies construction excellence through its innovative execution, collaborative spirit, and meaningful community impact. Barton Mallow's delivery of this 78,000 square foot, 3-story facility in downtown Royal Oak overcame significant logistical and technical challenges, resulting in a transformative space for culinary education and public engagement. Building in a dense urban environment required precise coordination with limited laydown areas and carefully scheduled deliveries to minimize disruption to nearby residences. The project's complexity included a central utility plant, 5 teaching kitchens, a full-service restaurant, retail space, and a hospitality suite. Installing 940 pieces of kitchen equipment across multiple trades demanded exceptional sequencing and teamwork. Innovation was central to execution. BIM coordination and biweekly clash detection resolved spatial conflicts before reaching the field, particularly in the central utility plant and complex kitchen layouts. The team modernized operations with QR-coded lift operator cards and digital safety documentation. And a $1.2 million video wall installed at the monumental stairwell serves as a dynamic centerpiece, enhancing the Institute's identity. The project achieved 0 injuries and implemented proactive measures such as personal carbon monoxide detectors, accessible PPE, and weekly site cleanups. The team partnered with Myosha's CET program for courtesy walkthroughs, identifying and mitigating potential hazards. The result? A vibrant, state-of-the-art facility that not only meets the needs of OCC's culinary program, but also enriches the surrounding community. The Michigan Department of Natural Resources Customer Service Center in Newberry unites DNR staff and field offices under one roof, while also serving the community. Delivered by Wallbridge, the innovative facility highlights sustainability by replacing steel and concrete with cross-laminated timber panels and glulam beams, dramatically reducing the carbon footprint. The greatest challenge was achieving the DNR's vision of using Michigan-sourced wood to create cross-laminated timber roof and wall panels. While Michigan's forests are predominantly hardwood, the team identified Michigan red pine as a potential candidate. However, no mass timber plants exist in Michigan to process this softwood into CLT panels. To overcome this, Wallbridge partnered with Buer Lumber of McBain, Michigan, to provide the lumber feedstock and collaborated with Vaughan Timbers in Washington to obtain ANSI certification and develop a customized quality control process meeting the highest industry standards. Construction techniques were equally innovative. The mass timber structure was delivered just in time over 13 days, with each panel installed the same day it arrived, eliminating storage needs. Prefabricated panels and 3D coordination allowed steel columns, beams, and most concrete to be replaced, significantly reducing embodied carbon. Overall, the DNR Customer Service Center achieved and exceeded the owner's goals by delivering a high-quality, safe, innovative, and sustainable facility. It is a landmark project that sets the precedent for mass timber construction in Michigan and creates long-lasting value for the DNR, the community, and the state's forestry industry. The Jackson YMCA renovation and expansion project exemplifies the transformative power of construction. Led by Grainger Construction, this $26 million endeavor overcame significant financial, logistical, and operational challenges to deliver a revitalized facility that now serves as a beacon of health, inclusion, and social impact in downtown Jackson. Originally envisioned as a new 75,000 square foot facility, the project faced a dramatic budget shortfall due to rising construction costs. Rather than compromise the YMCA's mission, Grainger partnered with stakeholders to reimagine the scope, blending new construction with strategic renovations of the existing 1962-built structure. This hybrid solution preserved essential programming, maximized value, and showcased the design-build team's agility. Grainger's phased approach ensured safety and continuity, allowing the YMCA to remain operational throughout the build. Temporary barriers, rerouted access points, and clear signage protected members while maintaining access to vital services. The project's downtown location posed spatial constraints that the team met with ingenuity. Just-in-time deliveries, off-site material storage, and coordinated traffic management with city officials ensured efficient operations in a dense urban setting. Beyond technical excellence, the project was a model of community partnership. Grainger supported public communication, engaged local subcontractors, and celebrated milestones with the YMCA and its members. The renovated facility now includes a universal locker room, expanded childcare, a Henry Ford Health Education Center, and a wellness studio. The Jackson YMCA represents construction at its finest, a project that delivers not just structural excellence, but meaningful community transformation. Located in the heart of Frankenmuth, Michigan's Little Bavaria, the Bavarian Inn Lodge embarked on its boldest transformation yet, the Bavarian Blast Water Park. Spanning more than 170,000 square feet, this $90 million expansion created Michigan's largest indoor water park and family entertainment center. Delivered by R.C. Hendrick & Son through a seamless design-build partnership, the project integrated architecture, engineering, and construction into a single vision. The new complex features 16 water slides, a giant wave pool, the winding not-so-lazy river, laser tag, mini bowling, rock climbing, a ropes course, and Michigan's first indoor swim-up bar. The project's greatest challenge was its setting, an active resort that never closed its doors. Hotel guests continued to check in, dine, and swim just feet from construction activity. Early in the project, crews removed a major section of the existing parking lot to expand the basement-level Family Fun Center, then installed precast concrete planks to rebuild the parking deck above. This creative sequencing allowed the owner to reopen parking and generate early revenue while construction continued below. To achieve the lodge's signature look, the team engineered and installed a 16-sided copper-clad dome, fabricated off-site and lifted into place with pinpoint precision. The project features LED lighting, high-efficiency HVAC with energy recovery ventilators, and advanced pool filtration that cuts chemical use by 30%. The mechanical system captures waste heat from filtration pumps to pre-warm makeup air, reducing energy consumption. R.C. Hendricks secured nearly $400,000 in consumers' energy rebates for the owner. The result was a meticulously executed expansion that earned the World Waterpark Association's Leading Edge Award for innovation and creativity, strengthening the region's tourism economy and enhancing Frankenmuth's legacy for generations to come. 10 remarkable projects. Precision in every phase. Excellence that stands the test of time. Impact that transforms communities. Built with skill, integrity, and responsibility. The hallmarks of AGC of Michigan members.